have understand how to solving sampling without replacement. Now let's try how to solve question with replacement. What is the probability that the numbers 13, 5, 20, 10, 11 and 1 are drawn in that order from a box with 30 marbles, labeled with the numbers 1, 2 to 30? If the marble selected is returned to the box before the next marble is selected.
By the product rule, there are 30 power of 6, which is 729 million ways to select the marbles, because there are 30 possible marbles to choose from each time a marble is drawn.
Consequently, the probability that 13, 5, 20, 10, 11 and 1 are drawn in that order is 1 over 729 million.
So that's it for sampling with replacement question. Good luck!